At Apex Process, we don't just manufacture. We bring legends to life through advanced material science.
Every single scale is digitally sculpted to ensure perfect hydrodynamics and anatomical flow. We utilize industrial-grade 3D printing to create master molds with micron-level precision.
The secret to the living shimmer is our proprietary blend of iridescent pigments infused directly into the silicone.
Unlike paint, these colors are embedded within the material, making them immune to scratches or fading. To combat the harsh effects of salt water and chlorine, we add marine-grade UV stabilizers to our formula.
The core of the tail features a carbon fiber monofin, designed for high-performance propulsion and durability.
This lightweight spine allows the artist to move with grace and power underwater. Every internal component is hermetically sealed to prevent any water ingress or corrosion.
Texture is key. Our molds replicate the complex skin of marine life, from smooth underbellies to rough fins. The pour is a delicate dance. We maintain a specific flow rate to prevent air entrapment around the scales.
Once sealed, the mold enters a high-pressure curing cycle to ensure a void-free, solid silicone structure. Controlled heat and pressure are the catalytes for our silicone's legendary elasticity. The reveal. A seamless, one-piece masterpiece emerges from the cast.
Despite its beauty, this is a piece of heavy-duty equipment, weighing over 20 kilograms of pure silicone.
We use precision laser trimming to achieve a completely seamless finish that is invisible to the eye.
Deepening the realism. We airbrush layers of translucent ink to create anatomical depth and shadows. It's the subtle imperfections, the veins and the spots, that bridge the gap between art and reality.
A final hydrophobic nanocoat is applied, allowing the tail to shed water instantly and reduce drag.
The Apex Mark, a symbol of quality that survives the deepest dives. Time for the ultimate test. Every unit is subjected to our 48-hour submersion protocol.
Functional art. The carbon fiber core provides the power, while the silicone provides the soul.
Skin-on-skin feel. Even when wet, our silicone maintains its realistic, non-slip texture. Dry in seconds. Our nanocoat technology ensures easy maintenance after every dive. Rigorous testing ensures that our creations aren't just for show. They are built to perform. Comfort and safety. The internal foot pocket is lined with hypoallergenic materials for extended use. One final polish to maximize the iridescent glow. From our laboratory to the world's most famous film sets and marine parks.
Apex process, certified for the deep.
We don't want just build models. We build the impossible.
Macro shot of the iridescent scales one last time, shimmering in slow motion.
Where manufacturing meets magic. Apex process, engineering the unreal.